Hello everyone! Welcome to King English class.
Today we will learn English vocabulary about the topic of vehicle names through real pictures and videos. Let's get started. Motorbike. Motorbike. Repeat after me. Motorbike. Motorbike. Bicycle. Bicycle. Repeat after me. Bicycle. Bicycle. Ambulance. Ambulance. Repeat after me. Ambulance. Ambulance. Fire truck. Fire truck. Repeat after me. Fire truck. Fire truck. Scooter. Scooter. Repeat after me. Scooter. Scooter. Police car. Police car. Repeat after me. Police car. Police car. Tractor. Tractor. Repeat after me. Tractor. Tractor. Sports car. Sports car. Repeat after me. Sports car. Sports car. Pickup truck. Pickup truck. Repeat after me. Pickup truck. Pickup truck. Jeep. Jeep. Repeat after me. Jeep. Jeep. Subway. Subway. Repeat after me. Subway. Subway. Train. Train. Repeat after me. Train. Train. Taxi. Taxi. Repeat after me. Taxi. Taxi. Truck. Truck. Repeat after me. Truck. Truck. Car. Car. Repeat after me. Car. car. Bus. Bus. Repeat after me. Bus. Bus. Tram. Tram. Repeat after me. Tram. Tram.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.